Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the palette. I did have a review of this on my channel. I will link that. However, the quality is not as good because I have a new camera now. As you can see, I really love this palette. There are quite a few dips on a lot of shades like Volatile, and this base shade, Dreamer. So I figured I would do another video with it. So let's get started. So I just applied an eyeshadow primer and I'm just going to apply a little bit of base just all over the lid, just kind of as a starting point. I'm going to start by taking the shade Soul on an M441 brush and use that as my crease shade. Next, I'm going to take a bit of Drama on an M321 brush and just put that in the outer corner and crease. And then I'm going to blend again. You could go in with Celestial if you want a full purple look, but I just thought it might be fun to try using Summer. So I'm taking a flat brush that I sprayed with setting spray. I'm going to take the shade Summer and put that all over the lid. Next, I'm just going to take the shade that I used Soul on and just kind of blend everything together. So I just wiped off the fallout underneath my eye, and I'm going to take the shade Dreamer as my inner corner highlight. Next, I'm going to take the shade Soul for the lower lash line. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. So this is the finished look. I really like how this turned out. I think it is different from what I have done before, and I really like the Norvina palette. It's probably one of my favorite palettes I've ever had, and I use it all the time. You can totally create something a bit more neutral than this with this palette. I just think this palette is perfect. It's got your pops of color, it's got your neutrals, it's got everything you need. So I would totally recommend this palette. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!